Hello everyone, you're welcome to this class, the Tech Media program. All right. So in our last class, we talked about the introduction to AI. We gave a brief introduction about AI and how what you can use AI to create. So that was just the introduction. So we are going to the main class proper. All right. So in this tutorial, in this particular class, rather, we are going to be looking at animating your images. All right, animating an avatar. All right, so we're going to be using various apps to create this. I think we're going to be using just for this particular video, since we are just kickstarting creation of AI, so we are going to be making use of just two apps for this particular class. So the first app that we have is we are going to be using Gemini. All right, so here is my Gemini. In case you don't have that, you might have to, you will need to delete that to download Gemini, as you can see. So that's Gemini, and we also have Grok A.I. all right, so I don't know if you are seeing it. All right, so we have Grok A.I and then we have Gemini. So one thing you're going to notice is the prompting that we're going to be using. All right, so it's very important. Like I said before, it's the most important thing. 90% of your job is your prompting. So once you learn how to prompt, you're going to be getting a very good and formidable output. So we're going to go over to my Gemini now. So I already created a prompt. All right, so you can see what our prompt created, but let me just show you how I did that. So I'm just going to paste my prompt here. So I already wrote it out already. So this is what I said. I said create a 3D avatar of a young, beautiful, caramel skinned Nigerian woman sitting in a studio. Okay, she is wearing a white sleeveless turtleneck with a brand name Tech Media written on it. So she is sitting on a desk or couch talking, and there is a mic in front of her. She is in her studio where she teaches YouTube content. All right, so you have to be very specific about what you want. All right, because everything you wrote here is what is going to generate. You understand? Like I said before, AI is simply garbage in, garbage out. So it is what you send to it is going to bring out for you. So let's go ahead. So there is an inscription. So you can see that, you see how I wrote the inscription Tech Media, so that you will be very aware that this particular Tech Media is needed, all right, to be in the background. There is inscription Tech Media, so behind her, and a subscription button too. So the image ratio should be 9:16 aspect ratio. Now this is very important. All right, the one you are seeing on the screen is a YouTube kind of image ratio. So but hence we are using phone to do this class. We are using phone to to record this class. We are going to be using 9:16, so I want it to be 9:16 ratio, though it's going to affect it in a kind of a way because of the prompt I gave. So the prompt was for YouTube, all right, because I didn't specify, but this particular one I'm sending out, so I'm specifying 9:16 aspect ratio. So know that TikTok video is 9:16 aspect ratio. All right, so that's what I want him to do for me. All right, so I'm just going to, so this is the prompt. So if you need the prompt, you can comment I need in the comment section, or just drop prompt in the comment section and I will send you the prompt. So this is the prompt. I will just copy it and send it to you, so you can learn from it and create your own prompt from this. All right, once you are done with this video, you're going to make sure that you practicalize it, all right, so you can know. So I'm going to click on okay. All right, so I'm going to click on this arrow. All right, so my connection was interrupted, so I guess my network went off. All right, it's loading. I guess our network went off before, so it's currently loading. So it's going to take a few seconds to load. All right, so you're going to wait for it. It usually doesn't take more than 1 minute. All right. Okay, so as you can see, this is what he created for us. So let's go back to the prompt and see what we say. It's a create a 3D of a young, beautiful caramel skinned Nigerian woman sitting in a studio. She's wearing a white sleeve turtleneck with a branded name Editech Media written on it. She's sitting on a desk or a couch talking, and there is a mic in front of her. She's in her studio where she teaches YouTube content. There is an inscription Editech Media behind her and a subscribe button to the ratio. All right, so as you can see, everything we just talked about here now, everything we ask the Gemini to create for is what it created for us. Now mind you, you know that this Gemini, there is a pro version of it. Okay, we are still working on getting the pro version. So we are still working on getting the pro version of the Gemini AI and this Nano Banana. Once we have access to all the pro version, for that of CapCut is already available, so everything will be uploaded on our website so you can get it. All right, because these apps are very, very expensive, so we are trying to get access to the make it cheaper for you guys so that you can easily have access to it, because very soon we are going to be needing the pro version. Okay, you might not be able to follow suit if you don't have a pro version of it. Okay, so these are the free version we are using now. So you can see the image it generated now. So I'm just going to hit on save. All right, okay, image downloaded. All right, so I'm just going to minimize that. So the next thing for you to do now is to go over to your Grok. All right, Grok is Grok A.I. So you can see what Grok is capable of. These are the ideas that are showing you in case you want to create something. All right, so we're going to make use of that image over here. We're just going to come over here. So I will come over here. You can see there is an image showing here, so I'll click on the image. All right, we have two options: edit photo and animate photos. So I click on animate photos. It's going to take me to my phone gallery. So that image I downloaded now, I'm going to click on it and add image. Okay, now I'm going to, all right, you can see the prompt now. So what if I tell you that this is AI? Okay, okay, what if I tell you that this is AI avatar and I'm not real? In this class I'm going to be teaching you how I was created, but before we start, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification button so you can be notified whenever a video is published. I will hand over to, all right, okay, I will hand over to the tutor to carry on. Okay, alright, as you can see, it's currently generating our video. So you're going to wait for it to generate. So one of the things you must understand is that the Grok A.I most time doesn't give you what you want. Okay, most time it does make mistakes, so in case you didn't create it well, you just have to reprompt it and send another prompt again. So that prompting is what you are going to focus on. Alright, so just resend again. I think network is disturbing again. Just resend the prompt again so that you can work with it. As you can see, self video generation failed, so my network is turning off. All right, so I think the network is back and it's not very fast. Okay, I've just been created. So what I'm going to, alright, we're going to the video. So this is how you create your avatar image. So we're going to download the video and see what the video is about. So like this is how you
What if I tell you that this is an AI avatar and I'm not real? In this class, I'm going to be teaching you how I was created.
create your avatar image. Okay, so I'm going to download the video from here. You can download. So we have already downloaded our video, so we're just going to go over to, I want to give it another task, so I'll go to create video. All right, this time around I have another prompt. Click on animate video. Let me animate images. I'll click on that again. This time around I have, so input. Okay, so in this prompt, this is what I said. I hope you enjoyed this class. You can drop a question in the comment section as our team will be ready to answer your question. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Alright, so this is the video this is what I'm creating now. So I'm going to send that. So I've already hit send. I'm going to go ahead and create that class for us now. Usually take about a minute. So I think I'll just pause this video and come back later. Okay, the image are generated. Okay, this video. Alright, so I'm just going to this video. So in that aspect, we'll continue from here. The other things we are going to do, we're also going to creating full content, like full movie here. So this just this is image we are using, right? So there are different software that are going to be used to achieve these things. Like I said before, you don't focus on particular software because particular AI software cannot give you everything. Each software is created for their own different purposes. So what we do is that we combine different software together to get a decent result, right? So we're going to be these are the part of the iteration of that. Alright, so we are going to go deeper this time. So make sure you hit the subscribe button before you. I'll see you in my next class.
I hope you enjoyed this class. Drop your questions in the comments. Our team will answer. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.